Hello there, here we have 2011 Hyundai I30 hatch FD series. It's a little 2 litre automatic. We'll jump in here and we'll start her up for you. Tidy little car, not many K's on it. I'll just get her in here and have a look. It's got some black cloth trim, standard type thing. Got the Bluetooth stereo. I'll start her up here. What have we got there? 60,775 kilometres. There we go. Electric steering there, nice and easy. Okay, do a bit of a walk around. Stereo works. Airbag's not deployed. Automatic, 2 litre as I said. The walker's got 4 good doors. Tailgate, left headlight, left guard. I'll get the bonnet open for you and have a look. Oh, the bonnet's good too. And up there, there's our bonnet straight. Here we go. There's that hole over there. Alright, there's our engine purring away there. It's the G4CB motor, 2 litre, automatic. Front of it there, it's a good headlight, left guard, bonnet, doors, mirrors, tailgate, tail lights. In there, standard I30, tidy enough. Good tailgate tail lights. Rear bar's got some little rub marks, but still alright. 2 litre. Parcel shelf, and we've got a spare wheel and tool kit in there. Jack. That's basically it. Little I30. Nice little blue one. Find the compliance plate for you. Found it before, forgot to show it up. There we go. There we are. June 2011. Righto. So if you need some I30 parts, give us a call on that number up there, 02 46 46 1733. Give it a rev and say goodbye. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.